Hello friend, welcome to my channel, Pratham Fun Learning. Thank you for liking my videos. If you have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button so that you never miss another video. Do you know Tic-Tac-Toe game? I am sure you have played it sometime at your house. But can you make a Tic-Tac-Toe game by yourself? So, in this video, we will make a Tic-Tac-Toe game that we could give as a present. Here are some things that we need to make a Tic-Tac-Toe game on a burlap sack. Number 1, a burlap sack. Number 2, a marker. Number 3, 10 glass gems. Number 4, a ruler. First thing we will do is divide the two colored gems in groups. One color in one pile and the other in another pile. Next, we will choose one to be the X's and the other to be the O's. I choose the blue to be the X's and the whites to be the O's. Next, we will write X and O on the glass gems as we decided. Now we had drawn the X's and O's. Now using the marker, we will draw 4 lines on the burlap sack so it becomes a pound or hashtag for the Tic-Tac-Toe game. Let's draw the lines. The Tic-Tac-Toe game board is ready. Now, let's put all the glass gems inside the burlap sack. Here is the Tic-Tac-Toe game ready to be gifted. This was a short video about how to make a tic-tac-toe game at home. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe for more videos. Bye. Thank you.